Welcome to the new video of Innovators Hub. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to install PowerMax TDM98 treadmill and I'll give you a quick review of this treadmill. This treadmill comes with the best in class features such as 3.5 horsepower peak torque DC motor and many more features that are best in the segment. I've been using this treadmill since last 2 years and I'll be sharing my genuine review in this video. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video, you can put it in the comment section below. So let's start the video. In the package of the treadmill, you will get this toolkit which contains Allen keys and few screws. You will have to use them in order to install this treadmill and it takes around 5 minutes to install this completely. You also get this magnetic key which helps to stop the treadmill immediately if the key is removed. And this knob is used to lock the position of the treadmill. Along with that, you get a plug converter. So initially you get a US plug with this treadmill, and using a plug converter you can convert it to the Indian sockets. You need to pull the arm upwards and lock it in the position with the help of the knob. The bed of the treadmill can be locked in two different positions. In the other position, you will have to lock it by raising the bed upwards, which would be helpful in storing and moving this treadmill. So the base of this treadmill has two arms which needs to be installed in the correct position, and these arms helps in the stability of the treadmill, as well as the wheels at the end of these arms helps in the transportation of the treadmill. After placing the arm correctly in the position, you will have to tighten it with the help of screws and Allen key that is provided in the package. So this requires 3 different screws, 2 at the side and 1 at the bottom of the treadmill. Use the Allen key to tighten the screw. The same process needs to be repeated for the other arm as well. Use the remaining 2 screws to tighten the handlebar and make it stable. You will have to use Allen keys to tighten these screws. Use an Allen key to make sure that all the screws are connected properly and tightened. Once this process is completed, the treadmill is ready to use. Connect the treadmill to the power supply and use this switch to turn on the treadmill. At the top you get the 7 segment LED display which displays time, distance, calorie burn, pulse and speed of the treadmill. On the bottom you will get the control for the treadmill. The left one is for the voice. You can play MP3 music via USB or aux. In the middle you have a speaker along with the start stop buttons and program and mode buttons. Right knob is used for the speed control of the treadmill. This treadmill can go up to a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour. To start the treadmill, press start button. A countdown will start from 3 to 1 and treadmill starts to move at a speed of 1 kilometer an hour. Make sure the magnetic key is connected. As soon as magnetic key is removed, the treadmill stops immediately. To increase the speed, rotate the knob clockwise, and to decrease you can rotate it anti-clockwise. By pressing the speed knob, you can increment the speed at an interval of 3 kilometers per hour. If you press it 3 times, it goes to 9, and on the 4th time it again comes to the 3 kilometer per hour speed. The top speed of this treadmill is 10 kilometer per hour. With the help of the clip, you need to attach the magnetic key with your clothes. As soon as the magnetic key is detached from the treadmill, it stops immediately. This is a standard safety feature that is available in almost all the treadmills that are available in the market. This treadmill comes with 12 different programs and 3 different modes that you can select according to your requirements. So as I mentioned in the starting of the video, I've been using this treadmill from last 2 years. The build quality of this treadmill is very good and I faced no issue in the last 2 years. You just need to provide some standard maintenance which involves only oiling of the belt, that's all. It also comes with a heartbeat monitor sensor which helps you to precisely monitor the heartbeat when you are using this treadmill. The pulse rate shown in the treadmill and that shown in a pulse oximeter are approximately the same. You can get the product link in the description section. When I purchased this product, it was named TDM98, but nowadays the name has been slightly changed. You can get the correct product in the description section. This treadmill is one of the best options that are available in this price segment. The quality and durability of this product is very good. It comes with a 5-layer belt which makes it very durable and long lasting. Please like the video if the video was helpful and do subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions related to this treadmill or any other treadmill, you can comment it in the comment section. When I purchased this treadmill 2 years ago, the price of this treadmill was around 13,000 during the sale. I've provided the purchase link in the description. Do check out that link. Thanks a lot for watching the video.